Have you ever wondered about the unsung heroines in the world of science? In the course of history, countless women have made significant strides in scientific research, often against all odds. Yet, their narratives often remain untold, their contributions eclipsed by their male contemporaries. Today, we take a moment to honor these invisible contributors. We begin with Rosalind Franklin, the unseen architect of the DNA's double helix structure. Then we'll explore the story of Lise Meitner, a pivotal figure in the discovery of nuclear fission, and Qianxiong Wu, who played a crucial role in the Manhattan Project and in illuminating the process of beta decay. We'll also delve into the contributions of Emmy Noether, the genius behind groundbreaking concepts in abstract algebra and theoretical physics. And finally, we'll pay homage to Barbara McClintock, a pioneer in genetics whose research on gene transposition in maize was revolutionary. This is but a brief glimpse into the stories of 5 remarkable women whose contributions were shadowed in the annals of scientific history. Imagine contributing to one of the most important discoveries of the 20th century and not getting your due recognition. This was the reality for Rosalind Franklin, a British chemist and X-ray crystallographer whose work was instrumental in uncovering the double helix structure of DNA. Armed with an unmatched determination and a keen scientific mind, Franklin delved into the intricate world of DNA, piecing together clues that would ultimately shape the field of genetics. Yet, when the curtain of acknowledgement was drawn, it was James Watson, Francis Crick, and Maurice Wilkins who stood in the spotlight. The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962 was awarded to them, while Franklin's vital contribution remained in the shadows. Her work was the cornerstone of this monumental discovery, yet her name was eclipsed by her male colleagues. Franklin's story is a stark reminder of the systemic bias that often went unnoticed. It's a tale of brilliance and perseverance overshadowed by an era's prejudice. From the discovery of nuclear fission to the Manhattan Project, women have been instrumental in discoveries that moved forward their respective fields. Lise Meitner, an Austrian-Swedish physicist, led the team that discovered nuclear fission. Yet, when the accolades were handed out, it was Otto Hahn who received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1944, leaving Meitner's pivotal contributions in the shadows. Similarly, Qianxiong Wu, a Chinese-American physicist, made significant contributions to the Manhattan Project and conducted groundbreaking experiments in beta decay. Her work was instrumental to the field of physics, but when the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded in 1957, it was her male colleagues, Tsung-Dao Lee and Chen-Ning Yang, who were recognized. Bu's crucial experiments, which formed the foundation of their work, were overlooked. These women were giants in their field, their discoveries shaping the world of physics as we know it today, and they accomplished this while often enduring systemic prejudice simply for being female scientists. Despite their extraordinary work, Meitner and Wu remained largely unacknowledged during their time. The world of mathematics and genetics also saw women making significant strides. One such pioneer was Emmy Noether. This German mathematician's groundbreaking contributions to abstract algebra and theoretical physics, particularly her development of Noether's theorem, have had profound implications in the field of physics. Yet, during her lifetime, she faced discrimination as a woman in academia, and her contributions were often overlooked. Switching gears to genetics, we find Barbara McClintock. This American scientist's significant discoveries, especially her pioneering work on the transposition of genes in maize, revolutionized our understanding of genetics. Despite her groundbreaking research, which eventually earned her the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1983, her work was initially met with skepticism and overlooked. This is just one of the challenges these remarkable women faced in the scientific community, and yet they persevered. The stories of these women serve as a stark reminder of the struggles faced by women in the field of science. From the intricate structure of DNA unraveled by Rosalind Franklin, to the discovery of nuclear fission by Lise Meitner, these women have had a profound impact on our understanding of the world. Qianxiong Wu's contributions to the Manhattan Project and the field of beta decay were pivotal, as were the groundbreaking insights of Emmy Noether into abstract algebra and theoretical physics. And let's not forget Barbara McClintock's pioneering work on gene transposition, which reshaped our understanding of genetics. These contributions, though initially overlooked, have shaped the very foundation of science as we know it today. It's crucial to recognize and celebrate these women, and all women whose tireless work and brilliant minds have had such an immense impact. Their stories serve as an inspiration and a call to ensure that no contribution, irrespective of gender, goes unacknowledged in the future.